Hi, this is Sharmin here. In this video, I'm going to teach you PSS math, that is grade 4. That is the Pennsylvania System of School Assessment 2022 to 2023. All right. Question number 1, that is question 1 in this sampler, is to be solved without the use of calculator, multiple choice item and subtraction here. So first you need to subtract the whole part of it, that is the 5 minus 2, that is the 3, and subtracts the fractional part, that is a 2 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by 5. So it's obviously 1 divided by 5 by subtracting the numerator, and denominator here is the same, so answer will be B, that is a 3 and 1/5. Question number 2. So a calculator is permitted for use in solving questions 2 to 17 in this sampler. So which number, when written in standard form, shows a digit with a value that is 10 times the 4 in the tens place? So first you need to translate the word form to 5443, identifies the value of the 4 in the hundreds place as 400, identifies the value of the 4 in the tens place as 40, and recognizes that 400 is 10 times 40. Question number 3. When Diana bought her car, it had been driven a total of 42,753 miles. Now her car has been driven a total of 85,437 miles. Which number sentence correctly compares the number of miles the car had been driven when Diana bought it to the number of miles it has been driven since she bought it? So whenever you see this type of question, you need to read the question again and again and analyze, and what you need to figure out, which number sentence correctly compares the number of miles the car had been driven. So first you need to subtract, that is the 42,753 from 85,437 to get 42,684, and then identifies that 42,752 as a greater than the 42,684 by comparing the digits in the 10,000 place and the digits in the thousand place and then the digits in the hundred place. So obviously here is the correct answer is B. Question number 4. There are 1,289 people who attended a concert on Saturday. This is 306 more than the number of people who attended the concert on Wednesday. Which expression can be used to determine the number of people who attended the concert on Wednesday? So how I'll find the answer, guys? So this is obviously you need to subtract. Here is which expression can be used to determine the number of people who attended the concert on Wednesday. First, you need to recognize that since 306 more people attended Saturday concert than Wednesday concert, so 306 must be subtracted from 1,289 to determine the number of people who attended Wednesday concert. Question number 5, that is Miss Smith wants to replace the floors in her kitchen and her living room. The area of her kitchen floor is 120 square feet and the area of her living room floor is 98 square feet. The table below shows the prices for different types of floor materials Miss Smith can buy. So prices for floor materials, here is a bamboo, carpet, cork, laminate, wood. So Miss Smith decides to put a cork floor in her kitchen and a bamboo floor in her living room. What is the total price for the floor materials Miss Smith decide to buy? So this is the very large question, but guys, it's very easy. First, you need to identify what you need to figure out. What is the total price for the floor materials? Materials Miss Smith decide to buy. So she decided to buy cork floor in her kitchen and bamboo floor in her living room. So you know that the price. Bamboo is $8 and cork is a $6. So multiplies 120. That is the area of kitchen by 6. That is the price of cork, then multiplies 98, that is the area of living room, you know that, by divide by, that is the 8, sorry, multiply, that is the price of bamboo, then adds the product 720 and $784, then you add that, so your answer is the $1,504. Question number 6. The point plotted on the number line below represents a fraction with a denominator of 8. The fraction is less than 3 divided by 4. What fraction is represented by the point on the number line? If you see the number line, here is a half and 1, that is the whole part. So 3/4, that is the less than, the fraction is less than 3/4. So what fraction is represented by the point? Did you see the point line? So first you need to recognize that 5 divided by 8 is greater than half and less than 3 divided by 4 by first converting 1 divided by 2 to 4 divided by 8. So by converting 3 divided by 4 to 6 divided by 8, so here is the answer is, guys, C, that is the 5 divided by 8, 5/8, all right. Question number 7. Rosa and 4 of her friends each have some coins. The table below shows the fraction of each friend's coin that are pennies. So here is a Greg, Helen, Isaac, Josie. So Rosa has 6 pennies out of total of 10 coins, all right? And which friend has an equivalent fraction of coins that are pennies to the fraction Rosa has? So first you need to convert 3 divided by 5 to 6 divided by 10 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2. So here the correct answer is B, that is the Helen. All right, that is the 3/5. Question number 8. Some fourth grade students ate a total of 3/4 of bag of sunflower seeds. Each student ate the same amount. Which pair of equations could show how the sunflower seeds were equally shared by the students? So I will do this. Adds the numerator while leaving the common denominator, then finds an equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator, that is the 3. So his answer is B, guys. Question number 9. Dominic drank 1 and 2 cups of juice for breakfast and zero point 0.4 cup of juice for lunch. How many cups of juice did Dominic drink in all? So I will find the answer, guys. So first you need to convert 1 and 2 to 1.2 and then adds 1.2 and zero point 0.4, or convert zero point 0.4 to 4 divided by 10 and adds that. So adding the whole parts, that is the 1, because 1 plus 0, it will be 1. The fractional parts, that is the 6/10, then convert 1 and 6/10 to the decimal. So answer is D, 1.6. That is the cups of juice did Dominic drink in all. All right. Question number 10. A number sentence comparing two expressions is shown below. So if you see the expression here, which symbol should go in the box to correctly complete the number sentence? What do you think? What's the correct answer? finds the value of each expression. So here is a 1.09 and 1.9, and then identifies that 1.09 is less than 1.9, either by comparing the digits in the one place, so then the digits in the tens place, or by expanding 1.9 to 1.90, then comparing the digits after the decimal point. So correct answer is C, guys. Then you can find easily. Yeah. All right, let's do it. Question number 11. Tiles are placed into rows. Each tile is 1/4 foot long. The pattern below shows the total length in feet of each row of tiles. The pattern continues. How would the pattern be different if each tile was half foot long? So recognize that half is twice as great as 1/4, and both the starting number and rule would be twice as great. So which would result in each term being twice as great? That is, the answer is B. That is, the each term in the pattern would be twice as great as it is now. Question number 12. The total weight in pounds of two bunches of bananas is shown on the scale in the picture below. One of the bunches of bananas weigh, that is 2 1/4 pounds. How many pounds does the other bunch of bananas weigh? So how will figure out? First, you read the scale as shown, that is 4 3/4 pounds, then subtract to 2 1/4 from the 4 3/4 by subtracting the whole part, that is the 2, and the fractional part, this is the 2/4. So your answer is a C, guys. 2 2/4. Easy, right? Question number 13. Louisa started reading at 12:30. She reads for 1 hour 20 minutes. At what time did Louisa stop reading? What do you think? All right, so recognize, first you need to recognize that 1 hour after, that is the 12, is 1, and adds 20 minutes, that is the 150. So then recognize this is 10 minutes before 2, since there are 60 minutes in an hour. So that the time has not yet reached 2. So answer is B, that is the 10 minutes before 2. Question number 14. The lengths in inch of 5 crayons are listed below. Which line plot shows the lengths in inch of the 5 crayons? So first you convert 2 3/4 to 2 6/8 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2, and converts 2 1/2 to 2 4/8 by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 4. Then uses 1 times for each number including 2's, 2 4/8. So Ryan and Tom are standing next to each other, and Ryan walks north in a straight line, and Tom walks east in a straight line. So if you see that, the what angle is formed by their walking path. So this is obviously a right angle. So right angles, one ray is horizontal and other is vertical. So this is obviously right angle. Answer is C. The diagram below shows three line segments that meet at one point. Using your protractor, what is the measure of the obtuse angle created by two of the line segment? So first you need to line up the 0 degree line on the protractor with the vertical line segments, and placing the center of the protractor at the point of intersection, and then reads the outer number, that the lower right line in segment passes through or lines up the 0-degree line on the protractor with the lower right line segment, placing the center of the protractor at the point of intersection, and then reads the inner number that the vertical line segment passes through. So answer is D, 125 degree. That is the using protractor and you can measure easily. All right, that is 17. A map is shown below. If you see the map here, so there are right triangles shown on the map. List three roads that form a right angle. So which one is the right angle? And there are roads that are run parallel to Troy lane, that is the shown on the map. So list all the roads that are run parallel to Troy lane. So that is the Lemon Street, Lincoln Avenue, Franklin Lane, and list B. That is the question number B. That is the list of roads that is the run parallel. All right. And which road proves that Jack's claim is not correct? That is the Lincoln Avenue. And explain why the map does not have a line of symmetry even though it is in the shape of a rectangle. So it doesn't have a line of symmetry because if you were to split the map in half anyway, the roads aren't the same. All right, let's connect the I have a website. You can go to my website and practice more. Here is a video class you can check. So all right, let's that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another new video. Keep watching, keep practicing, and good luck your math test. Thank you so much, guys.